welcome to our YouTube channel, Balanced Living. So, by the way, I slipped out of office to make this video simply because it's long overdue. I was supposed to bring this video like 4 days ago, so it has to be today. And that's why I'm all suited up. This video is the first episode of the series I talked about in my RIP natural hair movement. So if you've not seen that video, you should see that video and then come back to this video so you are connected and then you can flow. So the title of the entire series is Handy Information You Should Know to Help You Through Your Natural Hair Journey. So this is the very first episode, and then in this episode I'll be talking to you about your going natural in the first place. Okay, what's your motivation? Why are you returning natural? It's very essential because it's not an easy process. It's not an easy path. So if you're not properly motivated, if you don't know what you should know, you can and may and would get frustrated and may just go back and relax your head. So it's very important to have the right motivation. What's the right motivation? Right motivation is when you come to accept your African beauty, when you come to accept your African look. Okay, this beautiful, gorgeous, kinky hair. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, excuse the drama. But then come to accept this kinky look that is unique to Africans. Okay, and then you realize that you can actually grow your hair really long and really big, that you don't have to actually wear anything on it. Okay, you can always go with your hair and it's beautiful. If that is your motivation, you're on the right track. But then if your motivation was okay, just admiring someone's hair, and then you think, okay, I'm not natural, so I can't have that, let me go natural, without getting to understand things and researching and learning your hair, or I want to just grow back my edges, I want to grow back my hair, then I relax my hair, then you're on the wrong track. Now the truth is, I won't tell you that this journey is gonna be all a smooth sail. That's not true. Simply because we're not used to it. We have been relaxed for the most part. So we're just realizing, is that why this, is that why that, and is that why that? Because we've been relaxed. Okay? So now we're trying to be natural and be who we are, black women, African women, and rock our African beauty and African nature. So you're gonna as your hair grows longer, the drama increases, simply because your hair will tangle more. It might take you some more time to detangle. So be patient with your hair, care for your hair, love your hair because it loves you. Okay, it takes time to learn a thing, and it takes time to adjust to a thing. Okay, so if you give it that love and give it that patience and understand that it takes time, you get to learn how to deal with your hair. And you can do anything with your hair. You can do a braider with your hair, you can do a twister with your hair, you can do a puffy thing like this with your hair, you can pack it, you can straighten it, you can leave it as a blow dry, you can do everything with your hair. So you should have a regimen, the whole sequence of how you wash your hair. You don't have to be hard and fast about it. Okay, you check your hair is dirty, itching, it calls for washing, then you wash. But just know you don't leave your hair for 2 months, 3 months before you attend to it. You don't just abandon and forget your hair. Have your products, have your regimen. Regimen basically is how you take care of your hair. You wash your hair, you decondition, you rinse it out at this point and at this time of the month or this time of the week. That's just basically what it is. That will be basically it for your motivation, a scope of how to handle your hair. But then this just trying to point out why you even in the first place decided to go natural, and then telling you that it's not going to be easy. So don't, when you get frustrated, tell yourself, she told me it was not going to be easy. She didn't lie to me about it. So but then you're going to love it at the end. Yeah, when I started my own journey, it wasn't funny at that time because my hair was short, but now my hair is growing, it's doing fine, and then I'm loving it the more. My hair has been through it all. I've had protein damage, like okay, I've suffered protein overload, I've suffered heat damage, I've had excess breakage. Okay, so I've been through it all, and I'm here to tell you it's worth it. I'm here to share your challenges with you and help you out and gist about it. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Be expectant because the next episode is just around the corner. Don't leave without clicking the subscribe button and the bell so you know when I've uploaded a new video. So thank you guys. I love you. And you should love your natural hair. And your natural hair loves you. See you in my next video. Just catch this.